stream to be playing camping. Very long game. Everybody loves it. It's cool. No one hates it. Actually, I don't know. There's hates out there. Some are because it's scary. Some are because it's violent. It literally is violent. To some kids who don't like the blood of the little deer. Anyways, I'm here as my Jackster boy, dude. Everybody knows who I am. Or everybody soon will know. YouTube is great, by the way. It's too late. Nobody could get off now. Okay. Guess we're friends. He literally moves as soon as it comes. Mr. T-Rex, do you know what's going on here? I feel like something suspicious is going on within this little tent. Mr. T-Rex and Brain Sick. Okay, I learned something. Someone could be brain sick. Mr. T-Rex, it's super scary. everyone's dying. Yeah, what was that thing? I almost died, bro. I'm the last survivor. I can't move. No. Bro, I could... And great, I've died. I've officially died. I was the last survivor. That's a good surviving thing. Ooh, what was that noise? Yeah.
I just downloaded a game.
Well, I hope you enjoyed me trying to survive.
It kicked me out of the game.
Think I'm out.
Okay, guys. It's just a bit
I'm not really... I don't know. I don't really feel like going again because I feel like it's very long. It could take an hour to just complete. At least that's the longest I've been. And I survived the whole game. Too bad I was not a YouTuber back then. Yes, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. And yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video.